Yo, you want to know one of TM88's biggest production secrets? I'm going to show you how. Alright, we're going to start off with effects. Now with sounds and loops, you could do this trick. Just lay out everything, make sure it's on beat, something like this. What you're going to want to do is go down to the knobs and mess with either the speed or the size. And what that's going to do is it's going to give the sample like a skipping effect, and you can slow it down, change the pitch, bit rate, and it also puts some of your samples on time. Alright, I'm going to play a sample with the effectrix and one without the effectrix. This is with. This is without. Super slept on effect. Don't see too many producers doing it.